let me teach you about the wirings of your robot. This is from our battery pack, which means it's power. This is supposed to be plugged in over here. This, with 4 pins, comes from our ultrasonic distance sensor. It's labeled on the NiHaro board distance, which means that is where we're going to be putting these 4 pins. Plug it in right there. Make sure that it's secure and doesn't come off easily. Now, check under your robot and see which one of these are the wires for the left and the right line tracing sensor. As we can see, this one is for the one on the left. So we're going to follow that wire and we are going to plug it in to A1. It's on the row board. And since only the other one is left, it's from the sensor on the right, which means it belongs on A0. That should be all the necessary wirings of your robot. As for the motors of the robot, you have to make sure that the red one is going in the inner. You can also refer to the wiring on the manual. Now, let's say you ran into this problem. You want your robot to move forward, but for some reason, this wheel keeps moving forward while this wheel moves back. You know what that means? It's probably because one of your wires here are mismatched. Now, my advice earlier was to make sure that your red wires were in the inner. So, first, you're gonna check if you did exactly that. Are your red wires in the inner? If they aren't, well, you better go fix that. But what if your red wires were in the inner, but this kept moving backwards anyway? Well then, what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip the wires over so that it moves forward. Okay, I'm gonna plug this one in correctly for demonstration purposes, okay? Is you're going to do the test uploaded in the NiHaro Robotics Jumpstart manual. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna calibrate the motors. It's in the code. Check that step. I'm going to demonstrate here what it looks like if it's wrong. I'm gonna turn that on. And I am going to press button 1. You see that? I pressed button 1, and what happens is that this moved forward, but this moved backward. I'm gonna press it again. It did it again. So, to fix that, we will simply switch the wires over, and we are going to try again. I will click the Calibrate Motors command, and now both of them are moving properly again. That is how you fix the motors.